Hello Leo, this is your quick oracle reading and we'll be using today is affirmation of the fairy cats. So, if you're new to the YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, and share. Your card for today will be the card of Death. You know what, Leo? Minsan, kailangan talagang you need to ask questions. In the process of the, kung magkaroon ka ng opportunity mag-aral kahit ng basics ng Lean Six Sigma, there is one of the process there. Is it, I forgot yung term, pero yung continuous question. Parang talagang you will question the answer. And yun yung kailangan mong gawin ngayon. Don't just take things on face blank. Huwag mo lang parang, okay, ito na yun. No. Ano yung meron pa? Ano yung mas malalim? Ano yung sagot? Tanungin mo pa yung sagot hanggang makuha mo yung pinakakailangan mo malaman. Hanggang maarok mo yung pinakamalalim. And doon mo makikita the source of the creation that you need to use. So I hope nakadaling yung reading sa'yo and I'll see you in the next video.